Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to create a real trading account on the Exness app using your phone. Whether you're using iPhone or Android, follow these simple steps to create your account in just a few minutes. First, open the Exness app on your device. From the main screen, tap on Create Account. Now, you'll need to choose your account type. Exness offers different account options, including Standard, Standard Cent, and Pro accounts. Choose the account type that matches your trading needs, then tap Continue. On the next screen, make sure you select Real Account instead of Demo Account. Now choose your trading platform. Select MT5, which is MetaTrader, as your preferred trading platform. Next, create your trading password. Enter a strong password that you will use to access your trading account, then confirm it if required. After entering your password, tap Create Account. Your Exness Real Trading account will now be created, and you can start managing your account directly from the app. And that's it. You have successfully created a real Exness trading account with MT5. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.